To add prospects into your campaign using a CSV, just head over to your campaign, then click on Prospect, then click on Upload from CSV. In the next screen, click on Select File and choose the file you want to upload. Moving on to the next step, handling duplicates. If you're uploading a fresh file, you can ignore this step and move forward. If you are uploading duplicates, choose how you want to identify duplicate contacts, how to handle rows without emails during the import. Next, you can map fields from your CSV to SmartReach. Simply select the columns you want to import. You can also create custom columns, which can later be used as merge tags to personalize your outreach. Last step. Add details to your CSV like lists and tags. Just click Add New Tag, select it, and you're good to go. It'll take a few seconds to import your CSV. Once done, click here to see the imported contacts in your campaign. You can also add prospects from the Prospect section. Just go to the Prospect tab. Then, in the top right corner, click Add Prospect and choose Upload CSV from the drop-down. A window will pop up with a few steps. First, click on Select File. This will open your system's file picker, and you can upload your file from there. Now, let's move to the second step, handling duplicates. If you're uploading a fresh file, just skip to the next step. Otherwise, decide how to handle duplicates and set the unique identifiers for your list. In the next step, map the fields as per column as shown in previous video. Last step. Add details to your CSV like lists and tags. And click on Import tab. It'll take a few seconds to import your CSV.